Book of Heaven, Volume 11, July 25th, 1915. How Jesus is unfortunate in love and wants to be comforted. Continuing in my usual state, I was lamenting to Jesus because of his usual privations, and he, always benign, compassionated me, telling me,
"My daughter, be stalwart. Be faithful to me in these times of tragedies, of horrendous carnages, and of intense bitternesses for my heart."
And almost sobbing, he added,
"My daughter, in these times I feel like a poor unfortunate. I feel unfortunate together with the one who is wounded on the battlefield, unfortunate for the one who dies in his own blood, abandoned by all, unfortunate with the poor who feels the weight of his hunger. I feel the misfortune of many mothers whose hearts bleed for their sons in battle. Ah, all misfortunes weigh upon my heart, and I remain pierced. And in the face of all these misfortunes, I see divine justice wanting to put more divine fury on the field against creatures, unfortunately rebellious and ungrateful. And then, who can tell you how unfortunate I am in love? Ah, creatures do not love me, and my great love is repaid with repeated offenses. My daughter, in the midst of so many misfortunes of mine, instead of consoling, I want to be comforted. I want souls who love me to be around me, that they may keep me faithful company, and give all their pains to me, as a relief for my misfortunes, and to impetrate grace for the poor unfortunate ones. Depending on whether souls are faithful to me in these times of scourges and misfortunes, once divine justice is appeased, I will reward the souls who have been faithful to me and have taken part in my misfortunes."